Hi, today we're back with another Kidstir video, and we're making creamy Palak Paneer with my little brother. Hi! This dish is perfect because I'm vegetarian.
I'm not.
We're gonna start off making the paneer.
We're waiting for the spinach. First, cut it like this. After draining out the water, we are adding the spinach to the food processor.
Some coke?
No. It's good.
Now time to blend. Time for spices. Now it's time for spinach.